Chapter 1.3b, Clearing Fraction. So we are doing number 9 here. 1 over 8 plus 3p over 4 equals 5p over 4. So the LCM, or the least common multiple, is 8. So we are going to multiply each and every term for this equation by 8. Now you clear the fraction, so 8 divided by 8 is clear, so you're left with 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So you're going to have a first term as 1, and 2 times 3p is going to be 6p. 2 times 5p is going to be 10p. And now you're going to find out the p. So subtract 6p on both sides, you're going to get 4p equals 1. Divide 4 on both sides, you're going to get p equals 1 over 4. For number 10, x divided by 3 minus 2x divided by 5 equals negative 7 divided by 15. Now the LCM is 15 because this contains both of the numbers in it. So you're going to multiply each and every term by 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 divided by 15 is 1. So now you're left with 5 here. So 5 times x is 5x. 3 times 2 would be 6x. And here you're left with negative 7 because 15 and 15 cancel. Combine the like terms. 5x minus 6x would be negative x. And on the other hand, you're left with negative 7. Now cancel the negative from both sides, you get x equals 7. Let's just do number 11 and number 12. For number 11, the LCM, or the least common factor, is 6. So you're going to multiply each term by 6 and reduce it. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 5z as it is. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so you don't have to write 1, so 7z. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then 1 as is. And 6 times 7 would be 42. 3 times 5, 15z, plus 7z are like terms. You're going to combine them as 22z. This is going to be minus 2, that you're going to take it on the other side, so plus 2 on each side, so that you have a variable term by itself. So plus 2 on each side. This side become 44 and this is 22z. To get this z by itself, you're going to divide with 22 on both sides. So z will be equals 2. Now for number 12, the LCM is 5. So you're going to multiply the 5 with each term here. And 5 times 2 would be 10t. 5 and 5 divided by each other, you get 1. 5 and 5 divided by each other, you get just 2t left. And here 5 times 1 would be 5. So now you're going to get the variable on one side and the number on the other. So you're going to subtract 2 on both sides. You get 10t minus 2t is 8t. Plus 1 equals 5. So minus 1 on both sides, you get 4 on here and 8t on this side. Divide 8 on both sides, you get 4 divided by 8 is 1 over 2. Or you can write t equals 0.5. Now let's do number 13 and 14 on the bottom of this worksheet. For number 13, the LCM, or the least common factor, is 10. So you're going to multiply each and every term by 10. So 10, 10, and 10 here. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and x plus 3 as is. 10 divided by 10 is negative 1, so 3x as is. 10 times 1. So now you're going to distribute the 2 inside of the bracket. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 would be 6. Negative 1 times 3 would be 3x, equals 10. So 2x and 3x will be combined as negative x plus 6 equals 10. Negative 6 on both sides, you get 4 on this side, and this side you're going to get negative x. So you're now going to divide with negative 1 on both sides. So x should be equals negative 4. For number 14, the LCM of 2 and 3 would be 6. So multiply the 6 on each and every term. 6 divided by 2 is 3, x plus 1 as it is. 6 divided by 3 is 2, this x will stay as it is, and then 6 times negative 2. When you distribute the 3 inside, you're going to get 3x plus 3 plus 2x equals 6 times negative 2, which is negative 12. Combine the like terms. 3x plus 2x would be 5x plus 3 equals negative 12. Negative 3 on both sides, you're going to get 5x equals negative 15. Divide by 5 on both sides, you get x equals negative 3.